How to deposit checks using the USAA mobile app. So the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure to log into your USAA mobile application. And then on the top here, you can find different options and tabs like transfer, pay bills, and deposit. It varies depending on the version of the app you have. So you want to head over to the deposit tab. And once you are here, you can just click on the bank account that you want to deposit to. Then it will automatically open up the camera for you to scan your check. So make sure you align it with the square reference given on the screen. And once you've taken the front of the check, you can do the same for the back of the check as well, and then tap on it. Once you've taken both of your images, enter the amount that you want to deposit, and then click on submit this check. Once done, you will get a verification or confirmation. Just tap on submit deposit, and then your deposit receipt will be shown on the screen. And that's saying that your deposit has been confirmed and it will be taken into your account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.